Time is Money TV. We about to go meet up with a dude that's about to lease on, man. My guy Norman. Let's see what he got going on. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on, Mohammed?
My man Norman, you made it.
18 hours straight.
Let me park my truck. I'll be right back. Yeah, so that's Norman right there. He about to lease on with that Kaufman Easy 4 and that Ram 3500.
TMT.
What it was like the trip from Arizona out here?
It was cool, man. The weather was good. It ain't like that Ace or that big boy you got sitting back there.
Yeah. He got to upgrade to the ASIN, but one step at a time. We're going to make some money, and then after that, we'll upgrade it.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Norman, new to the team. More to come on this situation. Stay tuned. Time is money. We ain't got no more to waste. On to the next bag. No brakes. All gas. Straight D's. We here at Parkinson Tires here in Fort Worth, Texas. Had to get the annual inspection. Every time you get a commercial vehicle, right, and you want to put your portion plates on it, and you want to use it, get your DOT and all that, you got to get an annual inspection every year. So we here. It's how much was it? $40, and that's different than a regular car inspection. It's a commercial vehicle inspection. That's what we're doing here for this Ram. Get my brother Norman on the road. A couple bumps in the road, man, this morning. Somebody done put a boot on my man's truck, man. But ain't nothing though. It's always gonna be bumps in the road, man. If you let that little boot stop you, man, then you ain't built for this. Right. It's gonna be stuff worse than that boot coming, trust me. And you got to hold on until you get to some smooth sailing, stack your money, and then keep moving on up. Being your own boss ain't easy, but it's worth it, man. Trust me. So we're here getting this annual inspection done, and then we're gonna take y'all step by step to the process so that you can be next, man. Everybody should be their own boss if you can. Ain't nothing wrong with working for somebody if that's what you want to do, but the goal always got to be to stack wealth, man. Generational. We're continuing along with this leasing on process with my man Norman from Arizona. We went on ahead and got the annual inspection for the truck and trailer. Then he went to the county tax office here in Tarrant County to get his title tag receipt. Now we at the apportion registration, about to get these apportion plates. That's the next step in the process. So follow us along. If you want to lease on, hit us up, 888-868-9997 TMT. Your boy Muhammad. Norman, what you got to say, man?
Man, this process has been running smoothly, man. I can't wait to get running with TMT, man. What you call Muhammad, man? It is what it is.
My boy. Yes, sir. We having fun, man. This is what the life of being like a boss is like, man. We all bosses. I told Norman that the other day, man. I'm not his boss. He his own boss, man. I might be the manager, but we're our own bosses out here, man. That's what we're trying to do, man. That's what we're trying to push. Time is money. Let's get into this office.
Oh,
congratulations.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
There it is.
In and out. Nice lady in there, man. Made the process a lot smoother. So we got the plates, we got the tags, we got the cab card. All you need is the stickers on the side, my man, and you can take some loads.
Yes, sir. Man, I'm ready. I'm ready to get it.
Oh, man. Got your portion plates ready.
I got the plates for this other truck. Try to hit the road. And, 2 birds, 1 stone. So, time is money.
New portion plates at least on. New portion plates at least on. New portion plates at least on. Time is money, we don't waste time. Time is money, they don't waste time. Slip the shoes off. Okay, he the new boss. Time is Money TV.